Hello foodies, you are a junk food expert. Put your taste buds and foodies knowledge to the test with our guest, the famous junk food quiz. Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rooster channel for more exciting quizzes. First, guess this crunchy snack. Right, potato chips. Next one. French fries. Alright, question number 3. Yummy pizza. Now guess this junk food. Very tasty hamburgers. Hot dogs. Guess the famous junk food. Fried chicken. Donuts. I like it. It's ice cream. Now guess the famous junk food. Chicken nuggets. Yes, nachos. Onion rings. My favorite. Samosa. Tacos. What's in your mind? Very tasty momos. Chocolate bars. Cookies. Very sweet. Brownies. Can you guess the famous junk food? Right, milkshake. This is the all favorites. Yes, cheeseburgers. Correct, cupcakes. This is the so crunchy and salty. Yes, popcorn. So delicious. Gummy bears. Fish and chips. Mozzarella. Corn dogs. Correct. Cheese pizza. I like it. Yes, egg roll. It's dosa. Chili cheese. Guess the famous junk food. Correct. Soft pretzels. Bagels with cream cheese. Nice, falafel. So spicy. Great, pasta. Sweet potato. Pizza rolls. So tasty. Yes, sliders. Right, Rice Crispy. Peanut butter. Next one. All's favorite. Yes, chow mein. Pancake with syrup. So tasty and sweety. Nice, jelly beans. So sweet. Yes, chocolate fudge. Fried Oreos. Fruit snacks. So milky. Correct, milk dudes. Right, Pop-Tarts. Guess the famous junk food? Right, Twinkies. Can you guess this junk food? Right, pudding cups. Very tasty. Correct, sour candy.